Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the graph, which has been rallying quite a bit since basically yesterday. Like yesterday morning it already started, we were still at around 10.5 cents, and since then we've rallied all the way up to 13 cents, which is where we're at right now. So Cilinix is back and I'll make a quick video on that. We'll talk about what's going on right now. Because frankly, I do think at this point of time that the graph is manipulated. What you see right now is that first of all, 26% of the volume comes from BYBIT, Korean volume. That's usually an indication of manipulation. Not that much though. I mean, 26% is not that much. But then also paired up with quite a lot of volume coming from Turkey, like in total, I would argue 15%. Brings the total to 40% from Turkey and Korea, which usually indicates some sort of manipulation, or at least manipulated volume. So I do think it is manipulated, but not that much. And overall, GRT, like I do think there are opportunities right here. So that's what we'll talk about. We'll do a full update on the price right now, what to expect, at least what I expect, and perhaps some opportunities. But that's what we'll talk about. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, as you can see from the top right there, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. Right now, you'll also get a free trading guide with it. So if you think that's interesting, if you want to become a more profitable trader, check that out. But for now, on to GRT. So the problem is, like yesterday, we actually did find some resistance around 12 cents. And then we continue to rally. Like right now, over the last 24 hours or 28 hours, we've rallied about 23%. That's great, but now we are at a significant resistance. Like as you can see, this trend line right here, it's a major trend line, is at the current levels. And then apart from that, we also got a 0.5 fib of a previous Fibonacci level, but it's still relevant. And the 0.618 fib of this recent bearish move, which we actually technically broke above. That doesn't matter that much though, because we still, like in this entire area, there's still a lot of resistance. So what I expect from here is that we actually, like right now, we're quite bullish. We were consolidating down here, I would argue, like we were very bearish. Then we had some sort of consolidation here, and now we're trying to get some sort of an uptrend, because for an uptrend or for bullish momentum to be called an uptrend, it needs to be sustained. So what I think will happen right now is that we will actually find resistance here in this area. Perhaps we will spike all the way up to like 0.134, so 13.4 cents. But I do think we'll find resistance there. And I do think it's actually likely that we will drop down to this level right here around 12 cents and 12.3 cents, so 0.123. We'll drop down there, and then it gets interesting, because then the structure is something like this. So we have this bearish momentum pushing us down and a strong support level under us. I think that's what's most likely right now. So then the big question is can we hold 12 cents? And I think at this point of time, it's very hard to say, but I think we will be able to do that. And then from 12 cents, from this triangle, I think we'll be able to get more bullish momentum all the way up to 14 cents, where we have the 0.618 fib, which is a very strong Fibonacci level. Like this is also a very relevant Fibonacci level, by the way. So that's my main price target. To be fair, because we are manipulated, we could also just reach that area right now. I have my price alert set up. Like if we get there, I will short. Just for your information. But like I said, I think it's a bit more likely that we'll find resistance on the short term around 13 cents, get into some sort of a triangle between 13 and 12 cents, which I think we will hold, and then get a bullish breakout above like towards 14 cents. Could also be, I mean, if we cannot hold 12 cents, like if we drop down to 12 cents now and we barely get any support and we drop down below that, excuse me, that's a fib level, then this manipulation just stops and we'll drop down all the way to this level here around 11 cents. So it could go both ways. Like I said, at this point of time, I am leaning towards the more bullish scenario, but I will keep you updated on that if you are interested in that at least. For now, this is my take on GRT. So thank you for watching. Have a great Monday and bye.